Okay, Mimi, good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, good evening, Mimi. I will share to you now the Zoom. Okay, I will share it to you now. Okay, hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay, so this one, let us have this. Unit 8, we're talking about school subject. Okay, so please, Mimi, you have here the word fact. It's a training that is known to be true, especially when it can be proved. Second, past, it means finished. Okay. Practice. Instrument. Tune. It's a series of musical notes that are sung or played in order to piece music. Like you will play guitar, violin, piano, that tune. We have here the tune. Okay. Next, we have here, okay, common. We have
Pyramid.
pyramid.
Artist.
Artists, you can see. This is the
Painting.
painting. Okay. Pyramid. Okay. So we have here the word. Okay. What are you good at? What aren't you good at? So this is positive questions. This is negative because of the word aren't. Okay. B, the B verb, I am good at dancing. B here is the verb dance plus ing. It becomes dancing. A. B. She is bad at the verb again. Letter V is the verb cook plus ing. It becomes cooking. Do you understand? Do you understand, Mimi?
Yes.
Okay, now you give me example of sentence using this pattern. Like I'm good at dancing. I'm bad at cooking. Oh, you give me example. Please write your example in the chat box. Okay? Give me example for this one. Okay, go Mimi. Using the
Okay.
pattern, I am, she is, we are. Okay? So you tell me if you're done.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, where is it? Okay, it's here. Okay, they are good at playing instrument. He is bad at jogging. Okay, very good. Okay, this great. Okay, next one. Now, please write the vowel sound in here. Okay, please write the correct vowel sound in here. Ano ba ang napunod? Very good, Mimi. Project.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, so we have here geography. Okay, next.
Geography.
Very good. Next,
History.
history. Next,
Sport.
very good, Mimi.
Languages.
Languages like English, Vietnamese, Chinese. Okay, this is
Maths.
math,
Music.
music, and
Science.
science. Okay, very good. Yay. Okay. What school subject do you study in school? What school subject do you study in your school? You tell me. Give me two subjects that you study. Give me two subjects that you study, Mimi.
For two subjects, my two subjects at school I usually study is math and literature.
Okay. Okay. Math, English, literature. Okay. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subjects is English and literature.
Okay, English and literature. Okay. Why do you like English and literature?
I like English because it's easy with me to study. And I like literature because I like read many essays of of uh, many people over the world.
Okay, that's it. Okay. Which subjects you don't like?
I don't like study math and I don't like study math and science.
Okay. Which subjects are difficult for you?
The subjects are difficult with me if IT is IT, math, and science.
Okay, very good. So IT. Why do you like IT?
Can you talk again?
Okay. Why do you like IT?
I don't like IT.
You don't like? You don't like. You don't.
Yeah,
Oh, why?
because IT is difficult with me and it it's like technology and I don't like that.
Okay. Okay, now you have to choose the correct words from this one. These are the subjects. Mimi, please try to choose which thing do you think is the correct words. Here, you write here, huh? You can write beside Mimi. Right here beside.
term finished.
Okay, so here, can you please read number 1? Teachers might tell you famous fact about the past in this lesson. What is this?
History.
Hey, let me see. Wait na. Okay, very good. 2. Can you please read number 2?
You have to count and perhaps add numbers together in this subject.
Okay, this is about numbers. It is math. Okay, 3.
When you study this, you might learn about rock and cave.
Okay, when you study this, you might learn about rocks or caves. Okay, geography. Very good. 4, Mimi.
You practice talking and listening to your partner and learn new words in the lesson.
Okay, you practice talking and listening to your partner and learn new words in this lesson. Okay, languages. Okay, number 5.
Some students learn to play different instruments and tunes in this class.
Some students learn to play different instruments and tunes in this class. This is music. Okay, it is music. Okay, so we are talking here instrument. So it means music. Very good. Yay! Now, Mimi, please complete these sentences about arts. Okay? Please try to complete sentences about art. You can choose your answer. What is inside the box? What is inside the box? Okay, please write. Thank you.
Teacher, I'm finished.
Okay. So number 1, please read.
Your teacher shows
Mhm.
you how to draw with pencil in this lesson.
Okay. Draw. Very good. Too. Okay. 3, number 2, drawing. Very good, 3.
You sometimes use brushes, clean water, and paints in this class.
Okay. Paints, very good. Okay, 4.
In this subject, some students look at paintings by famous artists. Do you?
Okay, in this subject, some students look at painting by famous artists. Do you? Very good, Mimi. Okay, now. So you have to write sentences about sports and science. Here, you can write, Mimi, in this one, okay? Or if you like, you can write in the chat box. You can use this to write, your teacher shows you blank, okay? If you are very good at what? You sometimes what? You sometimes get mad. You sometimes play basketball. In this subject, some students are, okay? Please try to add words for this to make sentence, okay? About
Okay.
sports and science. Let us see if you can do it. Go, Mimi. You can do it, Mimi. Okay? Done? Not yet.
I don't know how to I don't know how to write the sentence free.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Your teacher shows you how to play badminton with the racket. This is with the racket. Spelling. Wait a minute. Racket. Okay, next with is this one. Spelling with, okay. If you are very good at natural, you will good at science too. Okay, what is natural? If you are very good at
Nature.
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 Okay, that one spelling. Okay. You sometimes blank or you sometimes like don't. Okay, now in this subject, some students use ball to hit and throw. Very good. Okay, period. Okay. Always remember you have to start with big letter. Okay, big letter always. Big letter always, huh? Hey, big letter. Oh, very good. Wow, great job, Mimi. Don't forget to use big letter. Okay, next one. Now, you have here, you listen and write. Okay, please listen. Okay, now listen.
8E. School subjects. Listen and look. There is one example.
Now, on Monday, remember, we don't have any classes because we're going on a study trip that day. Have you got a piece of paper? I want you to write some things.
Okay.
We can meet at the town square.
Right.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write.
We can see some art by Alex Magus at the museum.
Can you spell that name for us?
Yes, it's M-A-G-U-S.
Thank you. Cool name.
After that, we get on the bus and go to the library.
Which bus, Miss Bridge? The number 57?
No, that bus doesn't go to the library.
But the number 28 does. Should we catch that one?
Yes, we should. And when we get there, you can find out about the history of the sport that we're playing this month.
You mean tennis?
That's right, Charlie.
Yes, and I'm good at it. I've got a really great tennis racket.
OK. And at 3 o'clock, we can go to the park.
Great!
And then please tell your parents to collect you back here at 4:30, under the big tree outside the school.
Right.
Okay.
Now,
Wait me
one
for a
last
minute, Mimi,
thing.
ha?
We
Okay.
can't have lunch at school that day, so...
Can we buy some pancakes? There's a fantastic place where you go...
No, bring some sandwiches, Paul.
OK.
Dito. Dito kay Bugnaw. Yeah. Higa na to kay Bugnaw. Okay?
Yeah.
Hey, straight ini higa. Dito na siya. Ito higa ha. Ito higa. Oh. Dito higa. Okay? So we have here. Now, okay, I don't like to study about universities not included. Wait me. Okay, so we have here. So meet me in the square and see art by Alex Magos. Bus number 28. Sports to read about. Wait me, huh?
Reads about.
Okay, next. Sports to read about. Tennis and time. Okay.
Half past 4.
Half past 4 or 4:30. For lunch, you can have sand spelling. It's not sandwiches. Sandwiches. There's D. Sandwiches. Okay?
Sandwiches.
Yeah, it's not the sandwiches. Okay. Now, wait me. Mimi, please get back in the Zoom again. Okay? Please get back. You still have 8 minutes. Okay, get back in the Zoom again. Ha? Join again. Okay. Let us continue answering this one. Okay, join the Zoom again.